Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Nissan Frontier key fob. It's a simple process that you can easily complete at home with just a couple of common items. First, make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery ready for replacement. This is the standard battery type for most Nissan fobs. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver to help gently open the key fob casing without causing any damage. To begin, locate the small release latch on your key fob and slide out the emergency key. This key is often hidden and provides manual access to your vehicle. Set this key safely aside. Next, find the narrow seam where the two halves of the fob meet. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this seam and gently twist to pry the casing open. Work your way around the edge until the two halves separate completely. Once the key fob is open, you will clearly see the old, round, coin-like battery nestled inside. Use your small screwdriver to gently pop out the old, depleted battery from its compartment. Be sure to note its orientation before removal. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, which is typically marked with a plus sign, faces down. Try to avoid touching the battery's flat sides. With the new battery securely in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until they snap securely shut, creating a tight seal. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its designated slot on the fob. Finally, it's important to test your key fob with your Nissan Frontier to ensure it locks, unlocks, and starts your vehicle properly. You're all set with a refreshed key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.